Hi, now we're ready for Chapter 3 of our nonfiction book about parrots. Let's go past Chapter 2. And here's the beginning of our Chapter 3. So let's start. Capital C, dive down H, magic C A, dive down P, dive down T. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R. Chapter 3, dot, dot. The name of this chapter is Animal Living Habits. Capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down N, magic C A, dive down L. Animal living, capital L, dive down I, slide, slide, dive down I, dive down N, magic C, G, animal living habits. Leave a finger space before the capital H, magic C, A, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C, S. Let's start our topic sentence. Parrots have plenty of habits. Capital P, magic C A, dive down R, dive down R, magic C O, dive down T, magic C S. Leave a finger space. Parrots have, dive down H, magic C A, slide, slide, hit the ball, run around the base, have plenty, dive down P, dive down L, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down N, dive down T. I'm going to squeeze my Y in there. Parrots have plenty of, magic C O, dive down F. Leave a finger space. Dive down H for habits, magic C A, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C S. Don't forget your period. Let's say to start, a parrot eats seeds, fruits, and insects. Capital T, magic C O, leave a finger space, magic C S, dive down T, magic C A, dive down R, dive down T. To start, don't forget your comma. A parrot eats, magic C A, leave a finger space, dive down P, magic C A, dive down R, dive down R, magic C O, dive down T. Leave a finger space, eats. Hit the ball, run around the base, magic C A, dive down T, magic C S. Eats seeds, magic C S, hit the ball, run around the base, hit the ball, run around the base, magic C D, helicopter up and back down, magic C S, comma, fruits, dive down F, dive down R, dive down U, dive down T, dive down I, dive down T, magic C S, comma, and insects, magic C A, dive down N, magic C D, swim up like a helicopter back down, dive down I for insects, dive down N, magic C S. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C, dive down T, magic C S, period. To start, a Parrot eats seeds, fruits, and insects. Oh, happened to my period. There we go. Also, they move by climbing and flying. Let's try that here. Capital A, dive down L, magic C S, magic C O. Also, they move, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base, slide, slide, or the Y. Let's put move down here. Magic C O, slide up, slide down, hit the ball, run around the base, or move by climbing and flying. Dive down B, slide, slide. Let's do climbing. Magic C, dive down L, dive down I, dive down M, dive down B, around and bump the B. Dive down I, dive down N, magic C, G. Climbing in, magic C, A, dive down N, magic C, D, up with the helicopter and back down. Let's leave a finger space and write flying. Dive down F, dive down Y, slide, slide for the Y. Dive down I, dive down N, magic C, G. Also, they move by climbing and flying. Don't forget your period. Then at night, parrots sleep in trees. Then, capital T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down N, comma. At night, parrots sleep in trees. Here's at, dive down T, leave a finger space for night, dive down N, dive down I, magic CG, dive down H, dive down T. At night, parrots sleep. Parrots, magic CA, dive down R, dive down R, magic CO, dive down T, magic CS. Then at night, parrots sleep in trees. Here's sleep, magic C, S, dive down L, hit the ball, run around the base, hit the ball, run around the base, dive down P, leave a finger space after the word sleep for the word in. Parrots sleep in, leave a last space after that, trees. Dive down T, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base, hit the ball, run around the base, for the two E's and a magic CS. In our conclusion sentence, obviously parrots have good habits. Capital O, dive down B, slide down, slide up, dive down I, dive down, or magic CO, dive down U, magic CS, dive down L, slide, slide, obviously, comma, parrots, there's our dive down P, magic CA, dive down R, dive down R, magic CO, dive down T, magic CS. Have is our next word, dive down H, magic CA, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, leave us finger space for the word good, magic CG, magic CO, magic CO, magic CB, up like a helicopter, back down, and then the word habits, leave a finger space, dive down H, magic CA, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C, S. Wow! And that is the end of chapter 3. Don't need to do it all in one day. Take 2 or 3 days to do chapter 3. Bye now.